Sitting in the old Chevy dealership. Unrestored Superbird. Crazy.
Well, because what they did, they came in blue because everything came blue, and then the valve covers because it gave them high performance for.
Only part that's been redone is the nose cone and a little blend on this fender. Everything else is all original paint. Original vinyl trim. All important. And look at this. Window sticker. I'll let you guys pause this. Let's get a little closer to it. There we go. Martin, Idaho. That's crazy. He bought this in '99. This is I never realized the vinyl trim was painted black. Went right over it. Look at that. Sitting in the old school Chevy dealership. There's the old Chevy sign. Wow.
Yeah, but you know, for what I do, even you can take that right down and do that.
Oh wow. Tape stripe, transverse, delete. Man, this is crazy. That's how I feel. This paint, you can see all the there's no orange peel and no passenger mirror. See these toys real quick.
And I get this feature book I wanted with it, it's downstairs. That I took the kid
Car? Car. Lots of cars. Yeah. That's right. Wow, look at these. I've never seen those before. Yeah, full track. Wow.
Car?
Yeah, big car, huh? Big car.
Doggy.
Yeah, doggy.
Kaka?
Yeah, doggy.
Doggy? Kaka?
Yeah, 69 Roadrunner. Oh, wow.
Kaka?
Look at that. There's a 4-speed too. Oh yeah, it says right there. 69 Hemi.
And they're getting $1,100 for those now. I'm like, what do you offer that? And the power steering box. It was in, we walked into the farm for the first meeting, finally got it instead of walking over.
Kaka?
Yeah.
Kaka?
All this memorabilia up here.
And they were telling how much they took out of it, you know, just scrap.
Anybody get that Hemi motor out of there?
It's still there. They saved that. They saved a couple for gift box and stuff, you know. And
But this
and
is
I
it
found that
right
power
there.
steering box, and that they were left with. What do you want for that? Take a bunch of $2.
Kaka?
Soda machines.
He was living with this stuff.
Goodbye.
That's right.
Baka.
Well, it's, we
Babu.
were walking along, right, we got some places.
All right, let's go.
Prices up are doing good, you know, and stuff.
Let's go in the back.